Hello students, welcome to our current affairs series. In this class, we will discuss about the today's important news. Let's start our class with our first news which is related to sports. The news is recently Madrid Open was conducted in Madrid, Spain. The Madrid Open tournament are related to the uh, badminton tournament basically. The question is who has won the women's single title in the Madrid Open? So recently, Iga Swiatek won the women's single title in Madrid Open, which was recently conducted in Madrid only. And the tournaments are related to the table tennis. They are the table tennis tournament. Next question is related to the defense only. The question is where was the first indigenous bomber unnamed aircraft known as FWD-200B unveiled? So recently in Bangalore, the first indigenous bomber unnamed aircraft known as FWB-2000B is unveiled. The question is related to the sports news we can say which recent wrestler has been suspended by the NADA. What is NADA? NADA is a national anti-doping agency which was established in 2005. So recently NADA suspended Bajrang Punia and Bajrang Punia is a wrestler. What is the purpose of NADA basically? NADA is promoting, coordinating and monitoring the doping control program in sports in all its form across the country. So what are the major purpose of the NADA? To basically monitoring, to promoting and to controlling the doping programs in the sports. Doping program means if let's suppose there is a wrestler who using any medicine, who is taking any injection to increase his stamina or to boost his stamina, which are banned by the government. So NADA is monitoring all these in the sports. So recently NADA banned Bajrang Punia for 3 years. So NADA is a national anti-doping agency which was established in 2005 in New Delhi. And recently Ashish Bhargava is the chairman of NADA, and NADA recently appointed Sunil Shetty as its brand ambassador. Clear? So let's move to our next section. The question is related to the sports also. Who won the Miami Grand Prix title? Okay, Miami Grand Prix title is won by Lando Norris. Next is where is ICC Women T20 World Cup 2024 will be held? For 2024, the ICC Women World Cup will be held in Bangladesh. Next question is who was awarded the Oxford Bookstore Book Cover Award for 2024? So recently Bhavi Mehta has awarded for the Oxford Bookstore Book Cover Award for 2024. The next question is also related to the sports. Who has won the La Liga title for 36 times? So recently, Real Madrid, it is a football title, and Real Madrid is a club who won La Liga title for 36th time. Okay, here are some points related to the sports events which are recently asked in different exams. First, Indian Super League 2023-2024. Indian Super League is related to the football. It is a football event. Recently, this event is won by the Mumbai City Football Club. So FC refers to the football club. So Indian Super League 2024 recently won by the Mumbai City Football Club. Santosh Trophy. First, you have to understand that Santosh Trophy is related to the football only. So Santosh Trophy is a football event recently for 2023-24 services. Services mean all tri services of India won the Santosh Trophy title. Next is Durand Cup. Durand Cup is also a football event or football tournament. This time the 132nd Durand Cup title won by the Mohan Bagan. Clear? And next question is related to SAF Under 19 Football Championship 2024 India and Bangladesh. There is an organization known as All India Football Federation who basically lead or who control the football events in India. So recently, Kanyan Chobe has become the head or chairman of All India Football Federation. There was an event French Open Football League first. It was won by Paris Saint-Germain Football Club. So these are the important points related to football. You have to remember these points. Next question is related to day. When was World Asthma Day celebrated? Every year on 7th of May, we celebrate World Asthma Day, and this time the theme of asthma is Asthma Educating Empower. So to promote or to basically create the awareness related to asthma, every year we do celebrate Asthma Day. Clear? Okay. Asthma is a chronic lung disease. Basically, what is asthma? Which can affect the person of all the ages. And the major cause of asthma is inflammation and muscle tightening around the airways. Next question is related to the defense who has successfully launched the paraffin fueled rocket known as SR-75. So SR-75 is launched by Hylam Pulse for the first time. SR means sounding rocket. S refers to sounding and R refers to rocket. So sounding rocket is a paraffin fueled rocket which is first time launched by the Hylam Pulse. Clear? Next is who conducted sea trial of the aircraft carrier Fujian. So recently Fujian was conducted by the China, and as it is mentioned there, it is a sea trial exercise. Who has been appointed by the Gurugram administration as its brand ambassador. So recently Gurugram appointed its administrative brand ambassador as Yujvendra Chahal, which is the first university in India to offer Harvard University course in business management. So now a Indian person can also do business management course same as Harvard University in India through Chandigarh University. The Chandigarh University became the first university in India which is offering Harvard University course in business management with the contract of Harvard University. Next is BRO Day. Border Road Organization. Border Road Organization Day. Okay, the question is which foundation day will BRO celebrate in 2024? This time it is 65th Foundation Day of BRO. BRO was established in 7th of May 1960, and this time on 7th of May it is the 65th edition for BRO. Road Organization. What is the purpose of BRO? Basically, it is a constructive body who construct and maintain road over near the border areas. B say border, R say road, O say organization. So the primarily work of BRO is to construct and maintain the borders near to the roads near to the border. So BRO began its operation in May 1960 with two projects. The first two projects of BRO was Project Tuskar in the east and Project Bacon in the west. Recently, Project Tuskar is renamed as the Project Vartak. The Tuskar and Bacon are first two projects of BRO. And the main function, as I told you, is to construct and maintain road in the border areas. And the headquarter of BRO is in New Delhi. And recently, Raghu Srinivasan became the head or chairman of BRO, Border Road Organization. It has also completed the world longest two-lane tunnel, the Sela Tunnel in Arunachal Pradesh. BRO create Guinness World Record of constructing highest road at Umlinga Line 2021. And what is the motto of BRO? Shramena, Sivama, and Sadhyam. Next question is, who became the first Indian to take 350 wickets in T20 cricketer? Recently, Yajwendra Chahal became the first Indian to take 350 tickets in the T20 match format. Okay, next question is related to the exercise or the defense friendly exercise. The exercise name is Shakti exercise. Shakti exercise is recently organized between which two countries? So this is the seventh edition of Shakti exercise, which was conducted between India and France in 13 to 26 May in the Meghalaya. So it is a joint military exercise between India and France only. Clear? Next is world. Where was the world largest plant for observation of CO2 from air stands? So it is recently invented in the Iceland. So where it is made? It is made in Iceland by Climework AG in Switzerland, and the plant name is Mammoth. Next question is related to the sports also. Who won the World Snooker Championship title for 2024? So recently, Kylan Wilson won the World Snooker Championship title for 2024. Okay, recently, Henley and Partners released top 50 richest cities of the world, and there are two countries from India, Mumbai and Delhi, who are included in the top 50 richest countries of the world. So how many cities of India are included in top 50 richest cities of the world? The two countries known as Mumbai and Delhi and New York top in this ranking. This report is released by Henley and Partner with New World Health Wealthiest City Report 2024. Okay, the question is related to the government schemes or the campaign. The question is Pirul Lao Paisa Pao campaign. The question is, which state government started the Pirul Lao Paisa Pao campaign? So recently, Uttarakhand government has released. Who is the CM of Uttarakhand? CM Pushkar Singh Dhami released Pirul Lao Paisa Pao scheme. Clear? Okay. What is the purpose of this scheme? Basically, this scheme is this campaign is started for the local youth and villagers of the Uttarakhand. The Pirul means the pine tree leaves. Basically, they have to collect them the pine tree leaves to the government, and government will they give him the money. And the rate of the Pirul leaves, mean pine leaves, is 50 rupees per kg, which is directly transferred to their banks only. Here are some also schemes related or some points recently which is in news related to the Uttarakhand. Chief Minister Shashakt Bahan Utsav Yojana is also started by the Uttarakhand government to empower the women. Cartography Museum recently inaugurated in the Mussoorie of Uttarakhand. The first polythene waste bank was started in Uttarakhand government. And Sanvita Kanswal received Tenzing Norgay Award in mountaineering. And first women Chief Justice of Uttarakhand High Court is Ritu Behri. She is recently appointed by the governor of that state. Okay, some points are also related to the Uttarakhand. Indian first electric pilgrim corridor is being built in Uttarakhand. First state in India to launch insurance scheme for silk growers to promote SHG. Mana village of Uttarakhand became the first in the country which was earliest the last village. Chief Minister skill upgrading and global employment schemes were also launched by the CM of Uttarakhand. Smart School Smart Blue program started by Uttarakhand Champawat district. Tungnath Temple of Uttarakhand declare as a national monument. So recently Tungnath Temple of Uttarakhand declare a national monument. Uttarakhand became the first state to launch earthquake alert application, and first forex therapy center is also opened in the Uttarakhand. First liquid mirror telescope is established in Devasthal, Uttarakhand, and it became the first state to implement new education policy at pre-primary level, which was basically started by or generated by the HRD ministry that time, and now education ministry. Mission Drug Free Devbhoomi campaign was also launched by Uttarakhand to make the state drug free by 2025. The target of Uttarakhand to make the state drug free was 2025. And first green energy based solar plant factory will be built in Rudrapur, Uttarakhand. So these are recently news related to the Uttarakhand also. Next question is related to the appointment. Who was appointed as the head coach of Indian basketball team? So recently, Scott Fleming appointed as the head of the Indian basketball team. So there is a federation known as Basketball Federation of India, and there is a federation, International Basketball Federation also. So Indian Basketball Federation was established in 1950 New Delhi, and International Basketball Federation was established in 1932 Switzerland. Present the head of Indian Basketball Federation is Adhav Arjuna, and International Basketball Federation head is Sheikh Soyed Ali Al Thani. Okay, which company has launched its wallet app in India, like Phone Pay, like Google Pay, or Phone Pay, or like Paytm? Recently, Google also launched its wallet app in India. So Google was established in 1998 by Larry Page and Sergey Brin. The headquarters of Google is in California, USA, and the CEO of Google is Sundar Pichai. What is the parent company of Google? The Alphabet Inc. is the parent company of the Google. Clear? Next question is related to the day to promote athlete. The World Athlete Day is celebrated on 7th May. There is also an event known as International Sport Day every year on 6th of April. We do celebrate International Sports Day and National Sports Day 29th of August. The World Athlete Day first, there is an organization known as World Athlete Organization, which was established in 1912, and the headquarters of the World Athlete Organization is in Monaco. So every year on 7th of May, World Athlete Organization celebrate World Athlete Day to promote athlete. Who is the president of World Athlete Organization? President is Sebastian Coe. Next question is related to the appointment. The L&T Company Group chairman. So recently, R. Shankar Raman became the new chairman of Larsen and Toubro Group. Okay, recently Colin Munro has announced his retirement. The question is, in which country does Colin Munro belong? Colin Munro belongs. So Colin Munro belongs to the New Zealand. He is a New Zealand player who recently announced his retirement from international cricket. Next question is also related to day. When was World Migratory Bird Day celebrated? So every year on 11th of May, we celebrate World Migratory Bird Day. And the theme is Protect Insect, Protect Bird. There is a day known as World Sparrow Day, which also celebrate on 20th of March, and National Bird Day every year, 5th of January. Okay, who has become the official sponsor of the Sri Lankan team for the ICC Men 2020 World Cup 2024? As we all know, ICC Men World Cup is conducted for 2024, and recently for Sri Lankan team, Amul became the official sponsor of the Sri Lanka team. 22nd Asian Team Squash Championship recently in China. The 22nd Asian Team Squash Championship is conducted. Okay. The next news is related to the bank and finance. The question is, which bank has announced that it will close all inactive account of the customers on 1 June 2024? So recently, PNB announced that it will close all inactive account of the customers on 1 June 2024. Next question is related to the international appointment. The president of Chad recently, Mohammad Idris Deby Itno, has been appointed as the president of the Chad. Chad, it is an African country which is located in the Sahara Desert. You can see this is Chad. Clear? The neighboring country of Chad is Niger, Libya, Egypt, Sudan. So recently, Matritra Onsi Utsav organized in honor of mother. The question is, where was this Utsav celebrated? So the Matritra Anusaya Utsav is celebrated in Nepal. So basically, this festival is celebrated in the honor of mother. Where did India export maximum in the financial year 2023-2024? So the recently data said that the India export with UAE maximum for financial year 2023-2024. Next is related to the appointment, also international appointment. Who has become the Prime Minister of Russia? So Mikhail Mishustin again became the Prime Minister of Russia. Okay, from where in South Asia has the majority population declined after Myanmar? So in India. The Prime Minister Economical Advisory Council share a report on religious minority across country analyze in which approx the majority population has declined approx 9.84% from 1950 to 2015. James Anderson retired from cricket. He belongs to which country? Recently, James Anderson announced his retirement from the cricket, and James Anderson belongs to the England cricket team. So he's an England player. Next question is related to the certification. Recently, Infosys became the first Indian IT company in the world, not in India. Recently, Infosys became the first Indian IT company in the world who received ISO certificate of 42001/2023 in artificial intelligence. So this first certificate is given to the Infosys first time. It is the first IT company of the world who got this certificate for AI, artificial intelligence. What is ISO? ISO is an organization known as Organization for Standardization who provide this certificate to Infosys. Here are some points related to Infosys. Infosys was established in 1981 in Bengaluru. The headquarter is in Bangalore also. Recently, the MD CEO is Salil Parekh and the chairman is Nandan Nilekani. So Nandan Nilekani is the chairman of Infosys and Salil Parekh is the MD and CEO. Next is who was elected as the new chairman of IFCO. What is IFCO? Indian Farmer Fertilizer Corporation, and Dilip Sanghani became the new chairperson of the IFCO organization. Clear? And our last news is related to day. The question says, when was National Technology Day celebrated? On every year, 11th of May, we do celebrate National Technology Day. Clear? So these are the important current affairs. Let's quick revise the session we have discussed. In this particular class, we have discussed that who won the women's single title for Madrid Open? Iga Swiatek. Recently, in Bangalore, the first ingenious bomber unnamed aircraft FWB 2200B launched. NADA recently suspended Bajrang Punia. Miami Grand Prix title is won by Lyndon Norris. And ICC 2020 World Cup for Women will be held in Bangladesh. Oxford Bookstore Booker Cover Award 2024 won by Bhavi Mehta. La Liga title for 36 time won by the Real Madrid Football Club. World Asthma Day 7th of May. Recently SR-75 launched by Hylam Pulse. The sea trial Fujian is conducted in China. Gurgaon administration appointed Yuzvendra Chahal as its brand ambassador, and first university who offered course like Harvard University was Chandigarh University. BRO Border Road Organization celebrates 65th foundation day of its. First Indian to take 350 wicket in T20 is Yuzvendra Chahal, and Shakti exercise was conducted between India and France. Largest plant who absorbs CO2 from air is in Iceland. World Snooker Championship won by Kielson Wilson. How many cities of India are included in top 50 richest cities of the world? Mumbai and Delhi, two cities. Pirul Lao Paisa Pao means the pineapple leaves have to collect and the rate will be 50 rupees per kg. This scheme is started by Uttarakhand to save environment. Indian basketball team coach Scott Fleming, and Wallet app first time launched by Google in India. World Athlete Day, 7th of May, new chairman of Larsen and Toubro is R. Shankar, and New Zealand became the first country, and Colin Mulsine has retired from international cricket. He belongs to New Zealand. Migratory Day, 11th of May. Official sponsor of Sri Lankan World T20 cricket team is Amul. 22nd Asian Team Squash Championship held in China, and recently PNB have announced that he will close all the inactive account of the customers. President of Chad is Mehmet, and Matritrita Anusi Utsav launched by Nepal. India recently launched that explained that he did maximum export with UAE. Minister of Russia Mikhail Mishustin. Okay, recently in India, after Myanmar, South Asia, he's become the second South Asia company to decline majority population. James Anderson belongs to England, and first IT company got ISO certificate in is Infosys. New chairman of IFCO, and the National Technology Day celebrate on 11th of. So I hope you like this session. Thank you.